Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of hacking. But don't worry, we're talking about ethical hacking here. It's like having superpowers, but instead of flying, you're breaking into systems, legally of course. So if you've ever wondered how to become an ethical hacker, you're in the right place. We're about to explore some of the best websites out there that can help you level up your cybersecurity skills and knowledge. Whether you're a complete beginner or already have some experience, these platforms offer something for everyone. So, buckle up, grab your favorite beverage, and let's get started. First up, we have Hack the Box. And let me tell you, this website is the real deal. Imagine stepping into a virtual hacking playground where you can test your skills against realistic challenges. That's Hack the Box in a nutshell. What sets Hack the Box apart is its focus on gamified learning. You're not just passively absorbing information, you're actively engaging in hands-on exercises that simulate real-world hacking scenarios. Think of it like this. You're dropped into a virtual environment with a specific target, and your mission is to find vulnerabilities, exploit them, and ultimately gain access. It's like an escape room for hackers, but instead of escaping a physical room, you're breaking into digital systems. And the best part? Hack the Box caters to all skill levels. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned security professional, you'll find challenges that match your expertise. They have a ranking system that adds a competitive edge so you can track your progress and see how you stack up against other hackers worldwide. But it's not just about the challenges themselves. Hack the Box has a vibrant and supportive community of hackers who are always willing to help each other out. You can join forums, participate in discussions, and even collaborate with other members on challenges. So, if you're serious about learning ethical hacking and want a platform that's both challenging and engaging, Hack the Box is definitely worth checking out. Next, we have Cybersecurity, and this one's all about accessible cybersecurity education. Imagine having a massive library of cybersecurity courses at your fingertips, completely free of charge. That's the power of Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a game changer for anyone looking to break into the cybersecurity field or level up their existing skills without breaking the bank. They offer a wide range of courses covering everything from the basics of networking and security fundamentals to more advanced topics like penetration testing and ethical hacking. What's great about Cybersecurity is that they don't just throw information at you and call it a day. They structure their courses in a way that's easy to follow, with clear explanations, engaging videos, and interactive quizzes to test your knowledge along the way. And it's not just about theoretical knowledge either. Cybersecurity also offers hands-on labs and practice exercises so you can apply what you've learned in a safe and controlled environment. This practical approach is crucial for solidifying your understanding and building real-world skills. Whether you're a student, a working professional looking to switch careers, or simply someone with a passion for cybersecurity, Cybersecurity has something to offer you. Their platform is constantly updated with new courses and resources, so you'll always have access to the latest information and techniques. Chapter 3. Over the Wire, where cybersecurity meets Capture the Flag. Now let's talk about Over the Wire, a website that takes a unique and engaging approach to cybersecurity education. Imagine combining the thrill of a Capture the Flag competition with the practical skills you need to excel in cybersecurity. That's Over the Wire in a nutshell. Over the Wire is all about war games, which are essentially interactive challenges designed to test your cybersecurity knowledge and problem-solving abilities. These war games are structured like levels in a game, with each level presenting a new challenge that builds upon the previous one. As you progress through the levels, you'll encounter a variety of cybersecurity concepts, from basic networking and cryptography to more advanced topics like web application security and binary exploitation. But here's the catch. You're not just reading about these concepts, you're actively applying them to solve real-world problems. Each wargame on Over the Wire is hosted on a dedicated server, giving you a realistic environment to practice your skills. You'll need to use your knowledge of Linux commands networking tools, and security vulnerabilities to navigate through the challenges and capture the flags hidden within the system. The best part about Over the Wire is that it's completely free and open to anyone. Whether you're a seasoned security professional or just starting out, you'll find war games that challenge your skills and help you learn something new. Chapter 4. Try Hack Me. Your guided journey into ethical hacking. Moving on to Try Hack Me, a platform that's perfect for those who prefer a more structured and guided approach to learning ethical hacking. Imagine having a personal cybersecurity tutor guiding you through every step of the way, providing clear explanations, hands-on exercises, and instant feedback. That's the Try Hack Me experience. Try Hack Me is designed to make learning ethical hacking accessible and engaging for everyone, regardless of their prior experience. They offer a wide range of learning paths, each focusing on a specific cybersecurity domain, such as web security, network security, or ethical hacking fundamentals. Each learning path is broken down into bite-sized modules, making it easy to digest the information and learn at your own pace. Each module typically includes a combination of video lessons, interactive exercises, and quizzes to test your understanding. But what truly sets Try Hack Me apart is its emphasis on hands-on practice. They provide access to virtual machines hosted in the cloud, allowing you to apply what you've learned in a safe and controlled environment. These virtual machines are pre-configured with specific vulnerabilities and challenges, simulating real-world scenarios that you might encounter as an ethical hacker. And the best part? You don't need any special hardware or software to get started. All you need is a web browser and an internet connection. Chapter 5. Pen Tester Lab. Level up your penetration testing skills. Last but not least, we have Pen Tester Lab, a platform specifically designed for those looking to master the art of penetration testing. Imagine having access to a comprehensive library of exercises and labs that cover every aspect of penetration testing, from reconnaissance and vulnerability scanning to exploitation and post-exploitation. That's what Pen Tester Lab brings to the table. Pen Tester Lab is not for the faint of heart. It's designed for individuals who are serious about pursuing a career in penetration testing or those who want to take their existing skills to the next level. The platform offers a wide range of exercises and labs, each focusing on a specific penetration testing technique or vulnerability. These exercises are designed to be challenging and realistic, simulating the types of scenarios you might encounter in a real-world penetration testing engagement. What sets Pen Tester Lab apart is its focus on depth over breadth. Instead of covering a wide range of topics superficially, Pen Tester Lab dives deep into each concept, providing you with a thorough understanding of the underlying principles and techniques. They also provide detailed solutions and explanations for each exercise, allowing you to learn from your mistakes and solidify your understanding. Whether you're interested in web application penetration testing, network penetration testing, or any other aspect of this field, Pen Tester Lab has something to offer you. And there you have it, folks. 5 amazing websites that can help you on your journey to becoming an ethical hacker. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use your skills for good and keep learning. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest threats and vulnerabilities. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and never stop learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. See you in the next video.